Key features of the MudRunner. First we have the filler attachment. This is where the material is pumped into the tool with the filler attachment from the loading pump. Now the material flows into this cylinder. But you have a cone here at the top with a ball, and this is where the tool that you attach, whether it be a corner finisher or a mud head, is attached to the tool. So the material exits here as well onto that corner finisher or mud head. So you have the cone. Now to attach the cone to this cylinder, you have these clamps. These clamps basically twist to take on and off, or attach and tighten this to the main cylinder. Now as well, you have the bottom that attaches to the main part of the tool here. You have the same clamps as well that attach to the bottom part of the cylinder. You have the main tube itself, and then down here you have the control arm. By twisting and turning this arm, the material is activated to come out of the tool, to exit the tool, on and off. Loading the MudRunner, you want to put the filler tube into the filler adapter. Pressing firmly with your hand and make sure your foot is on the foot pad of the pump. Running the MudRunner on the internal corners is very easy. You just want to place the tool either at the top or the bottom. You can work from your bottom up. Make sure that the filler and that the tool is centered onto the corner. Twist the control arm until the material flows out, and then move it gently along the wall. Very little pressure. Release at about 2 or 3 inches from the bottom. Running horizontal joints is just as easy with the MudRunner. Place the tool in the corner, as we did with the vertical. Twist. Now it's important to keep this level. Turn, move the tool, turn it off, sweep. Same with this corner. Turn it on, walk along the corner, turn it off, and sweep. Here we're going to talk about using automatic taping and finishing tools, in particular the MudRunner or the corner applicator, with a mud head to apply joint compound onto an outside corner or an inside corner, installing paper-faced bead products. So in this outside corner mud head, we're just going to install it onto the MudRunner. Place it onto the corner. We can start at the bottom or the top. Twist, and as we move the corner down the corner, you'll see it'll leave ribbons of joint compound on the outside corner. Okay? Set it aside. Take our piece of paper-faced bead, place it onto the corner. We can just set it on there. Using an outside corner roller, we want to place this in position. We're just going to move it along the corner. Set it nice and evenly so it's straight. Medium pressure. Then with the pan and knife, we just want to clean out the joint compound. Okay, so that's an external corner. Now for internal corners, we're going to remove the external mud head. We have an internal mud head for inside 90s. Again, it's locking clip, locks onto the MudRunner like so. Place the tool in the corner, twist the handle, and as it moves along, you can see it leaves a ribbon of joint compound just on the inside of the corner. Take our inside corner product. This is a different style of product. Just place it manually into the corner, very lightly. Now there's two thoughts here. You can roll it into place with the corner roller. Again, like regular paper tape, we just place it in the corner, kind of move it along the corner, not hitting the floor. Now at this point, we can either wipe out the product with a pan and knife, or we can continue on with an automatic tool, which is a corner finisher that's on an extendable handle. Again, we just place this in the corner, and move it down the corner. If we have to, we can turn it around, run it from the bottom up, fill in, wiping out the product. The last thing we want to do is also check it and wipe it out to be sure. Just to make sure if we got any edging like here, we got a little bit of edging over here. We want to detail the top, as well as the bottom.